how to download and install Chase Bank mobile banking app. So let's see this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos from us. So let's begin. The mobile banking app of Chase Bank can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open Google Play Store on your device. After that, in the search bar you have to tap and search for Chase Bank mobile app, and you'll be able to see this interface over here. So you have to simply tap on install option, and it will take a few minutes depending upon your internet connection to download on your device. After you download, you'll be able to use the various features like looking for your account easily from your mobile banking app and many more. In 2 seconds you can see the app has been installed on my device. So by following this simple step, you can download and install Chase Bank mobile banking app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.